Yo, what up? This is day whatever 9-24. Time is 9:48 p.m. and this is just another episode on Road to Profitability. So I spent the last, I think, about a week, close to a week, pretty much back testing. I've collected almost 2 months worth of data, and this is basically what I got. So this whole time period when I was break even, this was when I was when price was actually in a consolidation. So if you look back, it's a lot of these times there were some good days in here, and that's where some of these spikes came from. But this is me trying to align my bias. But when I locked in with the bias, bro, this is where I saw like these big booms. Like a lot of what I my mentor also says this. He's like, a lot of your profit doesn't come from uh, like evenly split throughout the month. It comes from like 1 or 2 days throughout the entire month which really give you that boost. So I really saw that through this back test here. Um, if you take a look, like uh, this 4.37 day was very good. I was able to trail my TP, and a lot of these other days, I would have had the opportunity to also trail my TP, but I didn't. So I would just cut the trade immediately, like um, just as soon as it hit my first TP, I would be 100% out of the position. But a lot of the times, the trade would continue on running past my first TP. So what I plan to do when I trade live tomorrow, I want to be able to trail my TP trail my stop, um, and try to get as much risk to reward that I can. And as you can see, like, profits are not consistent, and um, I saw this Umar Ashraf thing. Like, 1 year he made 17 million, the next year he made like 3 million. So like that just shows you how inconsistent trading is, and like I really saw that through this back test. I know it's only like 2 months, but I felt like it was a good amount of data. Um, I will continue back testing. I'll continue this one going, on this model. But if you guys do want to see any specific data from here, let me know in the comments. I mean, it doesn't give you much, but it gives you what you need. Like, this is solid. I'm not gonna lie, um, and this clearly shows like, hey, I'm winning more than I lose over a long period of time. So I think the issue with me on a live account is just that it's just risk management, dude. I have this thing where like I I think I've overcome it now just by looking at this back test, but I would have this thing where I would try to, overtrade and over risk and shit like that. But I think I think I'm ready. I feel confident looking at this back test. It's given me a lot of just confidence in my model. I fine tuned it. Like, I was saying that I wanted to do like some scalping stuff, like the 1 minute thing, but that actually causes me to remain break even. So surprisingly, it didn't work. But when I switched back to the 5 minute original model that I have, this is where I started to see the consistent, or not consistent, but like big profits starting to come in. I don't want to say consistent because in trading nothing is consistent, so that it just has to be a inherent given. But other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'll let you know how my trading goes. Actually, one thing I can do before I shut this off is go over my bias going into tomorrow. So if we check out the charts, let's reset. All right. So my weekly bias for this week is bullish, just because ES swept these highs and NQ has not. So clearly, we want to continue higher. ES has broke structure, but NQ has not. So NQ is going to continue till it also has lined up with ES. So that's the draw on liquidity. We are also in a fair value gap, so price could low-key give us some chop. because we are facing internal range, resistance. But let's see, when do we have news? So we have some orange folder. Oh wait, no, this is the past. I'm tripping. Yeah. This week. All right. So Wednesday, orange folder, and then we have GDP tomorrow, and core price index. All right. So we have some solid news going into later in the week. So I think we still can see a push through this weekly fair value gap at a close above. I do want to see it be inversed. And another daily high I'm looking at taking out, maybe not this week, but coming into the future, is that one. And potentially I want to see a sweep of, well, not a sweep, but, close above this daily imbalance here, because that would also just give us more confluence that we are looking to trade higher. The other thing is, we did sweep this internal high, so this could mean that potentially we are looking for a retracement back to 50%, which lines up with this fair value gap right here. So this is a potential play that I see, if not now, maybe later, right? As of right now, like, we haven't really formed a high, so I wouldn't be looking for shorts just yet. But going into tomorrow specifically, price this week has been pretty choppy, I'm not gonna lie. If we look Monday, we got a little expansion on the Tuesday candle, but it's not much. Let's see. Yeah, so this is Thursday till now. Like, we've been trending higher, making there's like clear kind of trend line support there, but it's low-key been in a consolidation, so it's not the best price action. It's not trash either. Here we go. So this is the full day. Yeah, I can mark out Monday too. This is Monday. So Monday, complete consolidation. This could be a manipulation higher, potentially, because we are early out into the week. So I'll see what I get tomorrow. We are in this daily fair value gap, of course, and we did just sweep this high, so we could see some bearish price action. I wouldn't be surprised if we do, but I think overall, like monthly, weekly, more higher time frame, we are extremely bullish. We're looking to take out all-time highs. But if I drop down to the daily, I'm still like, I wouldn't be surprised if we got a little retracement back. Although the only thing I would like, we rebalance this candle pretty nicely. There's not much. There is this volume imbalance. I would like to see a body there, but I mean, that's quite a ways away, and we don't have much like red folder news that could take us there. So this week maybe just more, staying range bound, price action, range bound conditions. But I'll see going into tomorrow. Yeah, if I don't have a clear bias, I'd probably just sit out, because right now it's not looking great. I'll see tomorrow morning though, and I'll make a decision. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how tomorrow's trading goes. Peace.